Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS, James here. We are in Sydney. How are you today? And in this video we would like to share the work that we will finish in the Toyota Hilux that we mentioned a few days ago about how messy the wiring was done in terms of the spotlight, side work light, rear work light, and the group wiring and CB radio and dual battery setup. So everything was done by someone who did it in a very rushing way and a very incorrect way. So at this moment everything is done and we already finished the installation and upgrade with the factory head unit remove and the new 10-inch premium head unit fit in, connect to the factory reverse camera and connect to the steering wheel control factory thing. And yes, it definitely is the one that we bring in as the usual premium head unit system setup. So everything will come with the wireless Apple Carplay as you see on the screen, and wireless Android Auto as well. And on the screen here it is wireless Apple Carplay as you are seeing it. I use the glove, but it's still very responsive to my finger touch, and that's why the screen here is beautiful and smooth. With the premium one, very responsive and stable. So that's about the head unit and system, and now we will come to the front and we will talk about the system of the wiring, spotlight and other thing. So basically we come and have a look here. So we actually come here. So here's the engine bay. It has the front bar, front lights, and all those things already been done. So we already finished. We removed the dual battery, which was the wrong battery type and completely dead flat battery before, and we already fit in the new one, heavy duty and deep cycle battery, and connect to the dual battery setup with the 140 amp isolator override switch, which can connect both of the battery at the emergency case. We connect the power wiring from here to the back end for the spotlight, recorrect all the wiring for the spotlight and LED bars and side working light. All the wirings get protected and well in the place, and we get all the new wiring here for the power converter, which is running at the 1000 watt and it can charge anything 240 volt down here. So that's the thing. And what else we should mention? The CB radio. Yes, the CB radio was not connected correctly, so we already removed the CB radio and correctly running the power wiring from the front to the engine bay and mount the module controller correctly and better over here, and then we reconnect it, and the CB radio is working very nice as well. So everything is already set up and everything is already waiting for collection. New 10-inch system, premium one, and all the wiring already perfectly correctly done. Very happy. After several hours, I really mean several hours of work, we slowly rebuild the whole wiring setup, and we rebuild the dual battery setup. It was very tough. If you remember the other video, we mentioned how hard to remove the wrong side battery fit in, and we end up had to cut the bracket at the bottom, the battery tray, and then when we fit the new one in, we have to weld the battery tray before we actually fit the new dual battery in. So all happy, all good, ready to go. So thanks again for watching, and hopefully you like this one, and we'll see you on the next one.